Hey, thanks for tuning back in. Right now, I'm going to show you how to use the templates for folders that are already in Proloquo2Go. So when you're making a folder about something, it's super convenient to have these templates. You have to decide which folder you're going to put your folder in. So whatever, if you're not going to put it on the home page, the folder that you're going to create, you need to decide where you're going to create it or where you're going to put it in, what makes the most sense. I'm going to do an activity, so I'm going to hit activities. I've already made a biking folder there, but I want to show you the whole process. So I'm going to make a new folder. I'm going to come down to the pencil here in the edit bar. And as you can see, if I hit the left in that white box, there's only a plus. That will just make a button, but I want to make a folder. So I'm going to hit the plus sign with the folder symbol around it to make a new folder. And I do not want to link it to an existing folder, and I do not want to duplicate an existing folder. I want to make a whole new folder. Okay, so what am I going to make my folder about? I'm going to make it about skiing. Right now, it's the winter, and I might be going skiing soon, or the user of this device may be going skiing soon. So I have to choose a template. I don't have to. If I scroll all the way down here, I can hit no template, but I want to show you guys how that templates can be super helpful. So there are templates for nouns, so if you're talking about food, and if you click on the template, it just gives you a pop-up preview of what buttons are already pre-programmed into that. So you got some orange pronouns there, you got some pink verbs that are already there, you have some green prepositions that are already there, questions, and adjectives in the blue. So I do not want to choose food though. So what I'm going to do, there's people, places, things, time, then there are situational templates. So leisure, phrases, religion, school, sports. So skiing can be a sport depending on whether you're skiing for sport or if you're skiing for leisure, or there's another activity where, another template that says out and about, which is the one I'm going to use. So there's grammar templates and activity templates. So daily life, let's talk, motor play, out and about. So I want to use that one. So there's my pop-up preview, and I'm going to hit next because I'm looking at this and I like this. This is going to work for me. So I'm going to hit next. And then I'm going to give my folder a name. So just like the biking one that I had there, I'm going to do something similar and just call it skiing. And actually, I really like that picture. Of course, you can always look for a new picture for skiing. Let me just show you. If you go to more symbols, and then in the search bar, you type in skiing. There may not be more pictures, but then hit search. Let's see. Yeah, there's alpine skiing, cross-country skiing, freestyle skiing. They're kind of fun. Para-alpine skiing, I like that one. I usually do alpine skiing, so I am just going to actually choose that one because I noticed that the skiing one that it first pulls up, the guy doesn't have a helmet, which is totally not safe. So I'm going to choose that one so that it shows that we need our helmet. Okay, now I'm going to hit done. That is the picture that I want for my folder. I'm going to leave the background color white, and I am going to, while I am still in edit mode, I'm going to double tap our new skiing folder, and it's going to open it up. And then this little black caret here on the left, I'm going to tap that so that part of the screen goes down and you can see the whole page here. So as you can see, we have up top in like a whitish gray, our questions are usually like a light gray or grayish whitish kind of color in this program, Proloquo2Go. So question 1, 2, 3, you can add some questions there. We have verbs in pink. So we have, so these are kind of whole placeholders with the ones with the dots. So we have the pre-programmed ones, which now have a T around it, and they have solid borders. Those are already on the page. So pronouns, some verbs in pink, some prepositions, some adjectives in blue, prepositions are in green, and we got nouns down here. that we're going to fill in a couple of them anyway in yellow. So the verb number 1 that I want to add is skiing. Or ski. So I'm going to tap verb number 1 and it's going to pull up this menu. I'm going to tap where it says label. And I'm going to type ski. Because I might want to talk about how I ski fast, I ski slow, you ski slow, you ski dangerously. No, I'm just kidding. That's not a verb. Okay. Choose a symbol. Tapped that in the search bar. I'm going to put ski and search. And it looks like that is not the type of skiing. So, okay, here's a ski picture. All right, I'm going to choose this one. I think it's like, if not the exact same. Oh, no, it's not the exact same as the folder picture. So there we go, ski. There's the verb. We have that. I'm going to do another verb. Actually, I'm not going to do a verb. I'm going to do a noun. I'm going to tap where it says label, that line where it says label. And I'm going to put mountain because I usually ski on a mountain. I'm going to hit edit and choose symbol. And in the search bar, I'm going to type mountain, search. And I'm just going to go down to find the one that I like the best. Not a moon mountain, but there we go. There's a mountain. And then I'm going to do another noun. I'm going to hit in the label line and I'm going to put trail because when I ski on trails, on mountains. So I wrote trail and I'm going to hit edit. And as you can see, the colors for the nouns is staying yellow when I start typing in the label. And that is good because, again, we want the color coded for the, the pink for the verbs, the yellow nouns, the adjectives are blue for that vocabulary learning. So I'm going to choose symbol. In the search bar, I'm going to hit trail. This one might be tricky because it might not have a ski trail. Oh, it does. Look at that. It has a trail in the winter, which is perfect for skiing. Okay. So then I'm just going to fill in a couple adjectives. I'm going to fill in fast. And I'm going to hit edit. And then I'm going to choose a symbol. And in the search bar, I'm going to type fast again. And then hit the blue search. And I'm going to put, you can either do let's do a rabbit for fast. And then I'm going to do a second adjective, which is going to be slow. So I'm going to hit edit. And I'm going to choose a symbol. And in the search bar, I'm going to type slow. Then I'm going to come down and I'm going to hit a snail. Okay, again, I typed everything in the label line and that kept everything in the correct color. And before, a couple times I had written in the message section, the message line, and everything came out blue. And we don't want that to change because, again, we want our verbs to stay the pink. We want our adjectives to be blue, our nouns to be yellow. All right, I'm going to hit done up top. So you can see I'm going to make a sentence, and then I'm going to show you a couple other things. So let's do you.
You. Verb 1.
Oh, you know what I didn't do? Okay, this is a good lesson. I am going to tap ski, and look what I did. I hit ski in the label, but not in the text to speak. So I'm going to hit ski here. I'm going to type in ski. Sorry, guys. And then what other verb? We didn't put another verb, but we put a mountain as a noun. So, okay, so it's good to hit the label first and then do the message, because I did put in the message first a few times and it changes the color of the symbol, the background of the symbol, the button. So mountain is what I'm going to put as my message. Done. And I'm going to deselect mountain and then hit trail. So we don't want the message to say noun 2, we want it to say trail. Okay, and then hit done. And what else do we put, guys? We put fast. Oh, I actually did change fast. Oops, sorry. Nope, I didn't. So it says adjective 1. So I'm going to delete. And then I'm going to type in fast, because that's what we want it to say. I'm going to deselect fast and tap on adjective 2, which is slow. And in adjective 2 message bar, we're going to hit slow. Okay. Guys, did we put anything else? I'm going to hit done and just... So that should be good. So let's try that again. You. Ski. There we go.
Fast. You ski fast.
You ski fast. Awesome. Okay. Now I'm going to go to the edit pencil again. Oh, and also just before I do that, there's a home pop-up. So this home pop-up in the right lower corner is in case you want to, you don't see a word on here and you just want to quickly go back to the home page and use a word from there. That's the home pop-up. Oh, and if you want to get out of that, you just hit close and it goes back to your folder that you have made. So it's back in my skiing folder. All right, so I want to show you just a couple more things. I'm going to hit the pencil button. So here where it says fringe choices, that folder number 1, if I click on that, I can do a new folder, link to existing or whatever. For this one, I'm going to choose no template. And I'm going to hit next. And I'm going to put ski mountains. And this is where I'm going to put maybe the mountains that I usually ski at. I'm going to hit done. And then I'm going to hit that picture right here where it says Ski Valley as my symbol for that folder. So I should be able to double tap, yep, and then it opens it up. So I'm just gonna put 1 so you guys have an idea. So these fringe folders, again, depending on what you're talking about, you can put anything. So because I'm talking about skiing and I ski frequently, or the user skis frequently, we're gonna put in Canon and the mountain. You can choose whatever symbol. Then I'm going to hit done and deselect Canon, and I'm going to add another one. And let's say I want to do snowbird is the other name of a mountain that I ski at. I'm going to hit done. I'm going to probably go to edit, choose a symbol, and just do mountain. And pick a different, that's the same. I mean, you could choose the same symbol. I'll choose this one for snowbird. Okay, so that's in my fringe folder. So now I'm going to go back to skiing. I'm going to hit back. And so ski mountains. You can do I ski on.
Snowbird. Where do you like to ski?
This is just an example of how to use a template and how templates can be very helpful. If you hit no template and you just add buttons, you have to add everything in that you want to have in that folder. So every verb, every pronoun, whatever. Or if you want to stay in the same page, of course you can go back and build sentences and then go into the folder for just, you know, the buttons that you programmed. But if you want to stay in the folder and make sentences and converse without coming out of the folder, it's good to use these templates that already have pre-programmed verbs and pronouns and adjectives, and then just add some more that makes sense for your topic or activity or whatever the folder is about. All right, so hopefully that was helpful. I usually say, and if you have any questions or comments, please let me know, and stay tuned for the next video. All right, thanks guys. Take care.